Hey guys, how's it going? In this video I'll be showing you how to get the airbag light off a car with aftermarket seats or just different version seats. Alright, all you want to do is pop the cap off and use a T55, not 50 for the 18s. Alright, and then all you gotta do, see the light's off, all you gotta do is unplug the sensor and plug the new sensor in, and if it works, alright, then we move on, and it worked. This is the old sensor that you will need to remove, so I don't know which side. I think I'm gonna go from the bottom to the front side. I'll let you guys know how it works. Alright, just as an example, this is how you unpeel it and just peel it off. And then to put it back in, you just fold the flap in and over the metal, and then you just push it in the rail. Okay, and that's the new sensor installed, the AC. For those of you that need it, this is the part number for the 15 through 17. It's the AE. And then you just sell your old one on eBay. And that's how you get rid of the check engine or the airbag light. All right, so this sensor has these clips and it slots onto the metal bracket. These are not push or anything pins. You just pull it down hard and it'll unclip itself. There's no release latch or anything like that. As far as getting this outside the car, the only thing that connects this bag is these two push clips. So all you need to do is push these out the bottom of the seats, and once you fold the fabric up, you're able, you fold the fabric up on the front and on the easily accessible side, and that'll get you enough space to put your hand and pull the bag out. And then that's it. You just put the new one back in. All right, so apparently you have 4 clips. For whatever reason, it might just be my seats, but I only mess with these 2 clips to push out, as you can see from their damage. I did not have to unclip these 2. However, for your seats, there might be 4 you need to mess with. For my Recaros, there was only 2. So, all right. Once again, this is the part you need for a 15 through 17. FR 3B603B16AE 15 through 17. AC for 18 through 20. My car's a 20. For those of you wondering about the fire extinguisher, it's just unistrut that I flanned out with the hammer, and then I just put it in the bolts. And those cover them. That's it. Alright guys, I'm gonna quickly show you that it worked. Alright. Okay, and here we go. It's on the 85, so it's gonna die and then restart. Oh, alright. Count your blessings when you can. Boom, airbag light is off. Easy as that. Seat is back in and we're good. We're good. First drive with no lights on the dash in 2 years. Woo! Alright, that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope I helped. Let me know if there's any questions.